As EECO celebrates its 100-year anniversary, it offers a meaningful opportunity to reflect on the cultural beliefs that have shaped the company's success. At the core of this foundation is the belief to achieve results, which goes far beyond simply meeting goals or hitting performance metrics. It represents a mindset rooted in personal ownership, alignment, and consistent execution. Achieving results begins with individual responsibility. Every team member plays a role in the company's success, and progress is driven by intentional action rather than chance. Alignment is critical. Before work begins, teams must ensure they are moving toward a common objective. Without this shared direction, even strong effort can fall short. When alignment is present, success becomes far more attainable. Execution also requires precision, particularly in high-stakes environments where attention to detail and timely decision-making are essential. However, achieving results is not limited to completing tasks. It involves taking a broader view, understanding how today's actions impact future outcomes, and ensuring long-term value for both the company and its customers. Ultimately, results are built through consistent effort over time. Small, intentional actions accumulate, creating meaningful progress and stronger partnerships. At EECO, achieving results is a collective standard, one that reflects pride in performance, disciplined execution, and a commitment to continuous improvement.